Tush.
All right, welcome back everyone and a good evening. Today temperatures saw those upper 50s and lower 60s, a little bit cooler than average for this time of year. Scattered showers kind of hanging out towards the southeast side of the viewing area, but mostly pushing off towards the east. In its place, cloud cover and soon to be some early morning drizzle on the way and possibly some patchy fog as well. Things are just kind of unsettled out there. So let's take a look at why that may be. Our jet stream right here, doing this sort of bending shape, coming down and up over much of the Rocky Mountains. That's giving us the energy necessary to bring all this cloud cover and rain and moisture to the Central Plains. Blues and whites are clouds and rain. Yellow is drier air. That's what we call water vapor satellite imagery, one of our tools used to identify moisture. Time lapse from today showing all that cloud cover, very overcast, very breezy, kind of gloomy, and just overall not the best day to get outside, but we still saw those upper 50s and lower 60s. I went ahead and captured this video for everyone today. I thought it was so neat. This was outside of Topeka. We call this virga, and what that is precipitation falling from the clouds, whether it's rain or snow, but it doesn't reach the ground and it melts inside of a dry layer that's located just above the surface. So very neat feature right there. Common in drier climates, but we happen to see it here today in northeast Kansas. Speaking of today, those upper 50s is what we saw, average of 68, again about 10 degrees below average. That starts to change heading into tomorrow. Holding on to that 53-degree mark, winds out of the east-southeast, 15 miles an hour. Speaking of 50 miles an hour, Junction City clocking in at that, 13 for Burlington and Emporia. 20 miles an hour for Hiawatha. If you're looking to head out this evening, lower 50s is what we're at right now. That's likely what we're going to be at for tomorrow morning. Models keeping us on the very warm side to start out. And then by about 6, 7 o'clock in the afternoon, evening, middle 70s out west, lower 70s, and maybe some 60s out east. The reason being, rain showers expected to push in from west to east. The west side of the viewing area should be clearing up first with more sunshine, giving us better heating. Thursday, sneak peek, upper 60s, lower 70s. Models are a little bit on the cool side for Thursday. That's because we have more rain chances on the way, and it's still doing some calculations. Wind speeds ahead for this evening out of the southeast, again 15, 20 miles an hour all the way through tomorrow. Very consistent, very breezy. That's because we're seeing all of that unsettled weather come into the area. Future track, keeping an eye on those showers for much of the southeast side of the viewing area this evening. Clearing up, but then more scattered showers and drizzle possibly, starting during the overnight hours. Just before sunrise, things become a little bit more widespread. Notice the light green here. We're likely going to be seeing more of a drizzle type of precipitation and then some heavier showers a little bit closer to afternoon. A few rumbles of thunder are possible. Clearing out from west to east. Here's 9 o'clock for us. Heading into Thursday morning, a few scattered showers. We do it all over again. A few rumbles of thunder possible Thursday afternoon as well. So here's a look at our forecast for the week. 73 tomorrow, a few storms possible, showers and drizzle the main feature. Notice that 60% there. It's not a huge slam dunk. More showers and storms possible on Thursday. And those rain and storm chances, they kind of just hang around, guys, all the way through the weekend. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s.
Temperatures getting up to somewhere we haven't seen in at least a week.
Yeah. And they've got that 84 on the way, too.
That seems very impressive.
Yeah,
it needs to stay around, okay? I'm just going to say what everybody's thinking.
At least the deeper we get in the season, the dips aren't going to be nearly as bad.
All right,
hopefully no more freezes.
Speed it up, huh?
Yeah. Thank you, Ryan. Well, K-State baseball feeling really good after last night's 12